to go to work. How they can feel the heat. Yeah. So I did everything I wanted to do this morning. Doing actually my last duties is to prepare Tyler bottle. So when babe wake up, she just have to pick it up and I have to make it. So I wish everybody a good day, happy Tuesday, and we catch you guys.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. As you can see my face, man, I look like I'm still sleeping, but I'm up and I'm outside trying to condition my mind and get my music playlist ready to start doing some workout. It's such a beautiful morning out. Over the city is looking really beautiful, and I'm about to just enjoy this view and get a little something. It doesn't really matter how much I get in. I just want to know that I get something in and feel quite satisfied about it. So make sure you guys getting your workout in. It doesn't really matter what it is. Get your workout in, start your morning off right, let it free your mind and your soul, and just, yeah, kickstart your day. Awesome. And even if you don't get to kickstart your day with your workout, get it in at some point throughout the day. Tyler's actually sitting inside. I don't know if you guys can see him. There he is, chilling. He's watching TV. He decided that he doesn't want to come outside this morning, so I guess he'll come out at some point whenever he's ready. So yeah, I'm just going to jump in with my workout and get it done. Workout just finished, and Jessica boy started whining, so I know he was hungry. But being the mama that I am, and I know him so well, I made sure that I was making his oatmeal porridge while I was working out. That way it could be cool and be ready just around the time that I know that he would be ready for it. So he's having some oatmeal right now, and I'm trying to recover from all this workout. Workout was a success, by the way. Felt really good, and I'm happy I got some work in. And he's there making a mess on himself, but that's totally okay, right, sweet boy? Right, sweet boy? Uh-oh, he fell on you. Uh-oh, and more's falling. That's okay, don't worry about it. With your sweet self, with your sweet self. And as usual, you guys, I'm here trying to get some work done, and this child just wants to sit on top of me. Even though his plane is up, he's just wanting his mommy time. Story of my life, you guys. Story of my life. But I love it. I wouldn't have it any other way. Okay, you guys, so this is happening right this minute because your girl is getting hungry, and I don't want to wait until I'm hungry before I start preparing all of this. So I'm cooking some sweet potatoes for Tyler. I'm stir frying vegetables over there for babe and I. Sweet corn over there and salmon over there. So I'm on a roll. I'm well on my way. and it's about to go down, like literally. All right, you guys, I'm all done. This is for Tyler because you guys know that he loves corn. He's already screaming for it. His sweet potato and dinner for babe and I. So I'm just gonna grab right now. Why are you screaming, son? What's going on? You have something to say? Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? You giving them one of your car? You giving them your car? You want corn? Corn? You ready for your corn? It's a little bit hot, so mommy making it cool, okay? Okay? Corn? Corn? You ready? Sweet boy? Sweet boy? Alright, let's eat, okay? Let's eat. Corn. Corn. Corn? Corn? Corn?
Mama?
Yes.
Mama?
Oh, are you giving mama kisses? I love you. I love you. Sweet, you're so sweet. It's not even funny.
Mama?
Yes, sweetness.
Mama?
Yes. Here. We're gonna have corn, okay? You wanna vlog now? No, don't press anything. You're drinking juice? What you drinking? What are you drinking? What is in the cup? Juice? Juice? Say juice? Juice? He just asked for juice and it finished and asked for refill. Juice, please. Juice. But there's nothing, it finished.
Mama?
Yes. Sharing is caring. You're a sweet boy. You're always sharing with mama and papa. You know that you're a sweet boy? Even though you have me sucking ear, there's nothing. Alright, it's finished. Finished. There's nothing in there. Thank you though for being thoughtful. It's still such a beautiful day outside and we're just enjoying the outdoors. It's hot out, but I still didn't feel like leaving home today. I just feel like staying in. I feel like tanamiyad. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. I feel like tanamiyad. Simple means I feel like staying home. And my son insists on sharing. You insist on sharing. Give mama a kiss. Can mama get a kiss? I love you. There's nothing in there. It's finished. He loves the camera. Like legit loving the camera. You want to vlog? You doing what Papa doing? You guys, baby's home. He ran home today and he's continuing his working out. Go honey, I'm so proud of you. Babe don't want no big gut. Look at Tyler, it's the cutest thing ever. You working out with Papa? Hey, it took a long time, but the pig finished. Hey, that's a pig. It took a long time, but the pig finished his sturdy house. He whipped his brows, quite satisfied with his handiwork. The two others shook their head. They were not sure this little house would work all the hard work. Yes, pig. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Hey guys, I'm just basically coming on the end of vlog. Today wasn't much because, as I told you guys, I wasn't feeling like leaving the house, which brings me to the Jamaican expression that I gave them for today is me feel like tanamiyad.
Me feel like Tanami yard.
Yes, me I feel like staying home. I didn't feel like going anywhere.
Okay.
You got that one slick, Mr. Slick.
Yeah, this one not that long. It's not a book.
No.
That's fine.
And we are yet again watching Prison Break, you guys. I feel like Prison Break is going to break my heart and it's going to give me a heart attack, and it's just killing me. They want to go to bed.
When she watch a movie, when there's anything, it doesn't matter which movie, she come and jump on you and she slap you and she tell you, tell me it's true, and then she coming to the other side and coming to you and she do that to you and she jump on you.
But you know, when I get excited I slap, so he needs to be prepared.
One big difference between Jamaican and French. When you go to theater, French people, they're going in theater and they're watching the movie like quietly, and they're like this watching the movie and no one talk. And Jamaica, they're screaming and they're cheering.
Of course.
And if someone killed and they come and say, yes, good job.
Listen.
And the entire theater say, yes, good job, kill him, he's behind you. Oh Lord, that's annoying for us.
Of course, when the movie excited, you have to say yes, slap him, kill him.
That when you're on the piano, you just watch.
When you're in theater in France, if you drop a pin, you can hear it.
Yeah, but they're watching.
You guys, I went to theater in France and I have to pop my popcorn from home and carry it in the bag, in my handbag, because they didn't have popcorn with salt. They have popcorn with caramel and sugar. I don't want that. Well, so I just sneak in my popcorn. Does anybody do that?
Most of the people here, they eat sweet. If they do salt, they're not gonna sell anything. So they don't make it.
And they also don't go to the theater just for the movie. I go to the theater for the popcorn and the hot dogs.
We go to the theater for the movie just to watch the movie.
In France, they already have their popcorn packaged out and the tin. No.
No, you have,
and I don't have the hot dogs. Not even one hot dogs.
You have candies, you have
A
popcorn,
bunch of candies and caramel popcorn. I don't want that. It just goes to show cultural differences, but it is what it is, and it's amazing to see. Anyway, you guys, enough of the chit chatting. We're going to finish watch another episode. We're actually gonna start another episode of season 5. I got a big shocker just now, so I had to jump into this season. Sorry, babe. He's gonna go to bed soon. So yeah, give them the French word for today.
Maison, because of what you say. Maison mean the house. Yeah, there's no R in this one, but because she says she stay at the maison. Right. So say it.
Maison.
Right, this one not hard. Maison.
That. I don't have to struggle today. So maison mean house. So there you guys have the French word and the Jamaican expression. Alright, you guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel and you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell after you subscribe to make sure you get our video the moment we upload. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, chat with us. We love when you guys comment. We love talking to you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.